How to make any app open in pop-up view on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to make any app open in pop-up view on Android. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on this hover menu or this three horizontal icon which lets you on this main menu where you can easily clear all or close all of the apps, minimizing the screen. So from over here, now just long press on any application that you would like to open it on pop-up view. So let me just quickly select this, long press on this Samsung Health app, and as you can see it says that drop here for a pop-up view. So you can basically drag and drop the application right over there and you can continue using the application, that is any application on this same pop-up view. So you can actually do the same for any other application which you might have or may have opened here. So you can basically launch a multiple applications just like this on the different pop-up menu. You can even increase or decrease the size of it just like this, and you can resize or put it whatever you want accordingly. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.